Hey, gorgeous! Have you ever dreamt of being your own boss? Of calling the shots and creating a life you love? It's totally possible, and reselling might be your golden ticket. Reselling is like having a treasure hunt, finding amazing products at wholesale prices and then selling them for a profit. It's exciting, it's flexible, and the best part? You can do it all from anywhere. Think of it like this. You're a matchmaker, connecting incredible products with people who absolutely need them. You're adding value, spreading joy, and building a business that lights you up from the inside out. Plus, you get to be creative, experiment with different products, and watch your bank account grow. No more boring 9-to-5 grind. No more answering to a boss who doesn't get you. Reselling puts you in the driver's seat of your own destiny. So buckle up, gorgeous, because we're about to dive into the exciting world of reselling and how you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a beautiful reality. Are you ready to unleash your inner boss and create a business that sets your soul on fire? Let's do this. Okay, let's talk products. One of the most awesome things about reselling is the endless possibilities. You can literally sell anything you're passionate about. To get those creative juices flowing, here are a few hot product categories that are perfect for new resellers. Fashion and accessories. Everyone loves to look and feel good, right? From vintage finds and trendy clothes to handmade jewelry and stylish bags, the fashion world is your oyster. Home decor and furniture help people transform their homes into cozy sanctuaries. Think candles, throw pillows, artwork, vintage furniture, and unique pieces that add personality and warmth. Beauty and wellness. This category is booming. From natural skincare and organic makeup to essential oils and aromatherapy diffusers, you can help people look and feel their best from the inside out. Kids and baby. Parents are always looking for adorable clothes, fun toys, and unique baby gear. This is a great niche if you love all things cute and cuddly. Eco-friendly and sustainable products. Make a difference while making money. Resell eco-friendly clothing, reusable water bottles, bamboo toothbrushes, and other sustainable products that are good for the planet. Remember, this is just a starting point. The best products to resell are the ones you're genuinely excited about. So, what are you passionate about? What gets you fired up? Let your interests guide you to your perfect product niche. Now, I know it's tempting to want to sell everything under the sun, but trust me, gorgeous, niching down is your secret weapon for reseller success. It's like finding your tribe, the people who are obsessed with the same things you are. It helps you become an expert. When you focus on a specific niche, you become the go-to person for those products. Attract your ideal customers. Imagine having a line of customers who are already excited about what you're selling. Stand out from the crowd. There are tons of resellers out there. A niche helps you differentiate yourself and attract your perfect customers. Think about it like dating. Would you rather go on a million first dates with random people, or focus on finding that one special person who lights your fire? Niching down is like finding your business soulmate. Once you've found your niche, it's time to find the suppliers who will become your partners in crime. These are the awesome businesses that will provide you with the incredible products you'll resell for a profit. Here's how to find the best suppliers. Wholesale marketplaces. Websites like Alibaba, Global Sources, and Wholesale Central are treasure troves of wholesale suppliers from around the world. Trade shows. These are fantastic events where you can meet suppliers face-to-face, check out their products in person, and negotiate the best deals. Directly contact brands. If you love a specific brand, why not reach out to them directly? They might have a wholesale program or be open to working with resellers. Google is your BFF. Seriously, don't underestimate the power of a good old Google search. Search for your niche plus wholesale suppliers and see what pops up. Remember, building strong relationships with your suppliers is key. Communicate clearly, pay your invoices on time, and be a joy to work with. Your suppliers are your allies in building a successful reselling business. Now comes the exciting part, building your reselling empire. But where do you even start? The good news is, you have options, honey. You can sell online, offline, or a combination of both. So when we talk about online options, you could create your own online store with platforms like Shopify, Wix, or Squarespace. That way, you'll have complete control over your branding, product listings, and the whole customer experience. Or you could tap into a massive existing customer base by selling on platforms like Etsy, which is perfect for handmade and vintage goods, or maybe Amazon Handmade, or even eBay. Now, if you're thinking about offline options, there are some cool ways to get started too. You could try local craft fairs and markets. Get face-to-face with your customers, share your brand story, and make those sales in person. Or, you might want to partner with local businesses to sell your products in their stores, like consignment shops and boutiques. The best approach? Honestly, start with one channel and then expand as your business grows. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for you. Pricing your products strategically is key to maximizing your profits. It's honestly a delicate balance between making sure your prices are attractive to customers while ensuring you're making a healthy profit margin. So, here's a simple formula to get you started. Cost of goods sold plus your markup equals your selling price. Now, your cost of goods sold, COGS for short, includes the price you paid for the product, plus any shipping or handling fees. The markup is the percentage you add on top of your COGS to determine your profit. I recommend starting with a markup that's standard for your industry, and then adjusting based on factors like demand, competition, and your own desired profit margin. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pricing strategies to see what works best for your products and your customers. And remember, pricing isn't a one-time thing. As your business grows, you'll want to regularly review and adjust your pricing to stay competitive and profitable. You've got amazing products, a killer website, and now it's time to spread the word. Marketing is really all about getting your products in front of the right people and making them irresistible. Here are a few powerful strategies. First, social media magic. Create eye-catching content that showcases your products in action. Use a mix of stunning photos, engaging videos, and even some behind-the-scenes peeks to build a loyal following. Next, email marketing power. Build an email list and send out regular newsletters, special promotions, and personalized recommendations to your subscribers. Influencer collaboration is another great move. Partner with influencers in your niche who can introduce your products to their audience. And don't forget, content is queen. Create valuable content like blog posts, videos, or social media graphics that educate, entertain, or inspire your target audience. The key is to be creative, authentic, and consistent with your marketing efforts. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what resonates best with your target audience. Listen up, gorgeous. In the world of online selling, stunning product photos are honestly non-negotiable. They're the first impression your products make, and they can totally make or break a sale. Here are some tips to make your product photos pop. First, natural light is your BFF. Ditch the harsh flash and embrace the beauty of natural light. Set up your photo shoot near a window for soft, flattering lighting. Next, keep it clean and simple. Use a plain background that won't distract from your products. White or light-colored backdrops work best. Also, show off those angles. Capture your products from multiple angles to give potential customers a complete view. And tell a story. Use props and styling to create a cohesive look and feel that reflects your brand's personality. Remember, you don't need to be a professional photographer to take amazing product photos. With a little practice and these simple tips, you'll be snapping scroll-stopping photos in no time. Starting a reselling business is like embarking on an exciting adventure. It's a journey filled with learning, growth, and honestly, unlimited potential. Remember, you don't need to have all the answers right away. Start small, take it one step at a time, and just be willing to learn and adapt along the way. Focus on providing exceptional customer service, building strong relationships with your suppliers, and always be on the lookout for ways to improve your business. And most importantly, never, ever give up on your dreams. Now go out there, gorgeous, and make your reselling dreams a reality. The world is waiting for your unique brilliance. I'm cheering you on every step of the way.